Hello, I'm John Allen, one of a team of Cycling Savvy instructor amateur videographers, one very professional truck driver, and a number of other people who made the Cycling Savvy Trucks in the Real World video. Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, USA, September 4, 2019. We mirrored a British video showing how bicyclists can be hidden from the driver of a large truck. Carrie Caffrey edited the release video, and here's a composite image she assembled for it. A driver can look in only one direction at a time, and as Carrie shows with these graphics, has to look in several different directions when entering an intersection. We relocated to nearby Broad Street for this rolling demonstration, which is not in the British video. The red arrow shows the route of the truck. Bicyclist Jason Schiffer rode straight through. Scott Slingerland is the messenger.
He says get ready.
Okay. We shot video of 5 runs. In this one, Jason Schiffer is behind the truck on its right, outside its right side danger zone, though this is not the best position. Carrie's view from the truck cab shows me with one of the cameras. The LED liquor store sign goes from red to green. By total coincidence, we had a perfect synchronization marker for our cameras. The blurry center image was from a camera taped to a bus stop signpost. We used it only for this demonstration. Jason arrives in my camera view.
That's better.
The green brackets point to the unused camera. Gary Medine, with the 2 dogs, had reached the intersection before the truck, and so he comes back. But it wouldn't look right for a pedestrian to cross in one direction and then in the other. Also, Carrie decided to use only a run with Jason in the best position, though this run makes some points. Jason takes extra care on entering the intersection. He can't see through the truck to tell whether a vehicle coming from the opposite direction might be turning left. He also runs a shoulder check for overtaking traffic. Again, the LED sign changes in sync for all cameras. John Schubert's long view here shows motorcycle police who kept the street open. Now the run used in the finished video.
Film the same thing you've been filming.
I worked harder on color matching different cameras for this run. You get to hear conversation among the people making the video.
Am I too early? Should I go?
No, you're good.
Do I turn? No.
I don't know.
The sound of the clicker inside the truck synchronizes with the turn signal on the outside.
I think it's realistic to wait there. I wouldn't turn, you know.
I wouldn't turn either.
Everyone's timing is good in this run.
And this is beautiful because it illustrates Jason and you being visible to each other. That's very good.
And there are lots of cars coming
There
down.
comes a car.
And that's why the truck's waiting. Those are not visible to the cyclist, but he can tell from the trucks.
This is a busy street.
Jason can see the oncoming left-turning car.
And I will let you.
I think this is working well.
He hesitates just to be safe. He gives a friendly wave to the driver. For the finished video, go to CyclingSavvy.org and search on trucks. Thanks for watching.
All right.
That's a wrap.
Oh, we're done.